see where I got it at. Depending on how low it is how much you'll need. I'll put 110 in here. About all she needs. There it kicks on. You hear it click right there. But all I'm doing is pressing down. But you get up under your car, it's the passenger side behind the air conditioner. It took me a minute to find this, so if you get anything out of this video other than views and the angles I'm holding this camera suck, then give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the Fancy Rides, and share it with somebody if they need it. Thank you.